Today we will learn about trigonometric table. How to prepare trigonometric table. Guys, I like to mention in few books it is not mentioned the details how the values of sine, cos and tan come. So here I am going to give you all the details how these values are coming in the table. So let's get started. In your textbooks, it is given at the top 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45, 60 and 90. So let's see how to prepare now. The step number 1, start with the whole numbers 0, 0 and after this 0, which number bigger than this? 1. Then next is 2, next is 3. Then next 4. This is the first step. Step number 2. What is your last number here? 4. So divide each number by 4. So divide with this 4. This is your second step. Next step is apply or put square root on each number. Then next step is just simplify. If you can simplify, like here 2 upon 4 or 2 over 4 or 2 divided by 4, anything you can say. 2 ones, 2 twos. Here 4 ones and 4 ones. Now let us simplify more. 0 by 4. 0 by anything means 0. Here is what? Square root. This is the root. Next is separate this square root. Square root of 1 and square root of 4 means we are separating the numerator and the denominator by square root. Now next is square root of 1 and upon square root of 2. Then square root of 3 and square root of 4. Next is 1 by 1 means 1 and which is under root. Now square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1, as you know, 1 only. And square root of 4, this is 2. Square root of 1, again 1. This here we will keep it as it is. Square root 2. Square root of 3, we will keep it as it is, same. Square root of 4, 2. And square root of 1 is 1. This is the value of sine. How to read this? Sine 0 degrees 0, sine 30 degrees 1 by 2 or 1 over 2, 1 upon 2. Sine 45 degrees 1 divided by root 2, sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 and sine 91. This is the first row which is sine. Next we will see what is cos. So guys, this is very simple. What is our last number here? 1, right? So we will start with this number here first. What is the last number? 1. Next is what? Root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Then is what? 1 by root 2. Next is 1 divided by 2. Next is 0. Here we make it how we have written here in the reverse direction. Next guys, the next step is tan. What is tan? In the first session we have seen introduction and trigonometric ratios. If you remember, tan theta equals to sine theta divided by cos theta. So by using this formula we will continue our table. So first value I will show you. Sin theta by cos theta. Let's say tan 0 I have to calculate. I have to find. How to find sin 0 by cos 0? Let's say sin 0 is what? 0 by 1. 0 by 1 means 0. So the tan value is what? 0. 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 by 2. If I write here 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 by 2, this 2 gets cancelled. In the numerator you will see only 1, and in the denominator you will see only root 3. So the value of tan of 30 degrees is what we got here, 1 divided by root 3. Same way, 1 divided by root 2 and divided by 1 by root 2, how much? It will be 1. Here root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, if 2 gets cancelled, remaining will be what? Root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 means root 3. 1 by 0, this is the new term. This is infinity. It means no definition, undefined, infinity or infinite. Anything you can say. Now the next step is we will write cot. Cot is the rest. If you remember again the first session, tan is the reciprocal of cot, or cot is the reciprocal of tan. So same thing we will use here. So cot, we have two ways. Cot, if we reverse this 0 by 1, if we make it 1 by 0 means it will be infinity, or you can start from here in the reverse direction. We have two ways. Here next is what? Root 3, or if you make it reverse, root 3. If you make it reverse, 1, and from here third, so it is also from here third. Here next is, if you root 3, if there is nothing, there will be 1. Root 3 by 1 means, if you make it reverse, 1 by root 3, this is 1 by. Second is, you can write this number here, 1 by root 3. Next is what? 0 here. What? 0. Okay, this is cot. Next we will write, why I have written cot here? Because this is the, like, just to show you, tan is the reciprocal of cot, or cot is the reciprocal of tan. Now the next is cos. We will write cos. Reciprocal of cos is what? Sec. Yes, sec theta. So I will write here sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So if I make it 1 by 1, if I make it reverse also it will be 1, and root 3 by 2, if I make it like up in reverse direction, a reciprocal of this, it will be what? 2 by root 3, and 1 by root 2 it will be what? Root 2. 1 by 2 it will be 2, and 0. 0 by 1, if I make it reverse, 1 by 0, it will be means what? Infinity. Yes. Now next is we will write cosec. If you remember, cosec is the reciprocal of what? This sign. This sign. Now this cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So how to write? If there is nothing, there will be 1. 0 by 1. If you make it reverse, 1 by 0 means it will be infinity. And 1 by 2, if you make it reverse, then it will be 2, or this way. The infinity 2, infinity 2. If you here 1 by root 2, if you make it reverse, it will be root 2 or same value. Root 3 by 2, if you make it reverse, 2 by root 3. Or you can write here from 2 by root 3. We have two ways. And here is 1 by 1. If you make it reverse also 1. And here also 1. So this is the trigonometric table, guys. This is very important. Please prepare. Just learn it. Learn this, how to prepare. And this I have shown you the easiest way of preparing the table.